Morning, all. Today is day 48, Friday, April 16th. I've just left the shelter at 7 o'clock. Back on the trail. Gonna hike to the town. It's just a small town called Bland. Going there for breakfast or whatever, lunch or whatever when we get there. About an 11-mile day today, but I may continue on after we get done eating. I'd like to do 20 because I got to get to Harrisburg for Sunday, and that's like 55 miles away. So I got to average somewhere around 20 miles for 2 days, and then a small mile day on Sunday. So that's my plan. Didn't sleep good last night. Again, like I said, my mat, it doesn't hold air, so I laid on the wood in the shelter. My hips are killing me, my back is killing me. My knee hurts. Didn't sleep. Cold. It's very cold. So I'll have to grab some of my winter stuff back, I think, when I go home this weekend. Other than that, it's a beautiful day. It's going to be probably close to 70 again today. It was a little chillier yesterday, but today is supposed to be a little nicer, I guess. So stick around. We're hiking on. Stick around. We're hiking on. campsite with a little bit of a view. It was burned up a while ago. What do we have here? Tea berries. Just about in the town, a couple miles to go. I can see the town out in the distance over there. Yeah, stick around. We're hiking on. Alright, I'm out in this road. This is where the trail goes. I follow where the trail goes. Good views. Alright, 2:30. Everybody behind me's doing the 30, whatever that is. It's 30 beers, 30 miles, something like that. So, yeah, they got a good start on it. They're hoping to get to the shelter I'm going to, which is 11.3 miles from here. The Jenny Knob Shelter. It's not too bad an elevation. There are some ups, a lot of downs, and then more ups. Sunny day, real windy, chilly air. I ate at the restaurant back there, the Brushy Mountain Outfitters restaurant. I ate the Brushy Mountain Burger, which had a big slab of bologna, fried bologna on a burger with lettuce, tomato, onion, pickles, ketchup, mustard, cheese. and a side order of onion rings. Plus I drank 2 Mountain Dews, Dr. Pepper, and a strawberry lemonade. And I don't know where I'm going now. Alright. So, yeah, I'm on the trail by myself. So stick around. We're hiking on. Watch out for traffic. Crossing the highway. North Scenic Highway at Kimberling Road. AT. Around. We're hiking on. Stick around, we're hiking on. Just thought you might like to see this on the trail. Not that blaze, but that one. 600 miles. A lot more to go. Stick around, we're hiking on. Miles. $600 miles, baby! I just hit the 600-mile mark at 5:30. I'm out here on the road. Not too sure how much further I had to the Jenkins Knob Shelter. We'll see what it says here. We're heading north. And this section of the trail is maintained by Roanoke Appalachian Trail Committee. Okay. Well, what do we have here? Huh? Yeah. Hang in there, buddy. Stick around. You never know what you're gonna see. We're hiking on though. It's 6:45. Here I am at the shelter. This is Jenkins Knob Shelter. Hey guys.
Hey, what's up?
Thanks yet.
We can't go over it.
There's no.
Knob.
So we'll be in here for closer than you thought, which means.
I thought the section that's messed up is
100 yards.
south of, or north of town. Yeah, it's just out here. I love your tattoos. Yeah.
I wanted to get it done for her season
And the utmost, we'll take a walk to the privy. Anybody in there? A little vent. Nice shitter. Aluminum shitter. Nice. Stick around. We're hiking on. Welcome back. It's 8 o'clock. I'm at the Jenkins Knob Shelter. I hiked from the Jenkins Shelter to here. 23.2 mile day. Saw a couple squirrels today. Yeah, I'm hanging out with the gnomes there in the background. Got my water. So I hiked from Bland to here pretty much all by myself. I passed a couple people. There were some southbounders I crossed paths with. Tomorrow we're looking maybe do another 20-mile day. That way it puts me into a 15-mile third day into Pearisburg. So I could be picked up on Sunday around supper time. So that's the plan, and that's what I'm gonna do anyway. I don't think Hot Hands will be going to Pearisburg with me. He's gonna stop at Woods Hole Hostel. And that's right where we're going to stop. There's a tent site right before it. And then the next day, they're going to go into Woods Hole. And I'm going to hike to Pearisburg by myself. So, stick around. We're hiking on.